Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make sesame balls, one of the most popular Chinese snacks. You can enjoy them as a dessert or even for breakfast. They are crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside. Let's get the ingredients ready. You need some sesame seeds and glutinous rice flour. Prepare some sugar and dissolve it in boiling water. Pour the sugar water into the flour in 3 additions, mixing each time. Then let the dough rest for about 15 minutes. Divide the dough into small pieces and roll them into smooth balls. Dip each ball in a bit of water, then roll it in sesame seeds until fully coated. Roll them again gently to press the sesame seeds in. This way they won't fall off during frying. Let's start frying sesame balls. Place the sesame balls in cold oil, then turn on low heat. Gently move them around. When the oil gets hotter, you will see lots of bubbles forming around the balls. That's your cue to stir more often. Use a spoon to gently press the balls from time to time. This helps release air inside and prevents them from bursting. See, they're puffing up beautifully. Keep frying and stirring on low heat until they turn golden brown and crispy, about 15 minutes in total. Remember, low heat is a key. It takes a bit longer, but it's totally worth it. These are my failed ones, all because the oil was too hot. Take them out, and that's it. When you bite into one, it's crispy on the outside, chewy inside, so satisfying. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.